Listen. In the next few years, millions of people are going to wake up and realize their job is gone. Not because of layoffs. Not because of the economy. Because a machine can do it faster and cheaper. Scary, right? But here's the thing. There are some jobs that no matter how advanced AI gets, it just can't be replaced. And if you know what they are, you'll never have to panic about being left behind. We've all seen it. AI is writing essays, creating art, coding websites, even passing law exams. And every time you see one of those headlines, that thought hits you. Am I next? Is my career safe? Here's the truth. Some jobs are safe, not because they're high-tech or complicated, but because they're so deeply human that no algorithm can take them over. And today, I'm breaking down 5 of them. 1. Therapists and counselors. When your life feels like it's falling apart, you don't open up to a robot. You open up to someone who can look you in the eye and say, "I get you." Therapy isn't just about advice. It's about connection. Research even shows that most of the healing in therapy comes from the bond between the therapist and the patient, not the actual techniques they use. And that bond, that trust, that feeling of being seen and heard, no machine can fake that. That's why therapists and counselors aren't going anywhere. 2. Skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, technicians. AI can generate music. It can write code. But it's not climbing into your attic in the middle of summer to fix your air conditioner. It's not crawling under your sink to repair a leaking pipe. These jobs require hands-on skill, quick decisions, and the ability to deal with messy, unpredictable real-world situations. Quick pause. This list I'm sharing with you, it's just some of those. There are even more careers that AI can't touch. Comment below if you want to know those careers, so you stay ahead of the curve instead of blindsided. Hit subscribe right now so you don't miss it. Trust me, some of the jobs in the next part will surprise you. 3. Teachers and learning coaches. Sure, AI can spit out facts faster than any teacher ever could. But teaching isn't just about dumping information. It's about sparking curiosity and motivating students. Think back to your favorite teacher. It wasn't just what they taught you. It was how they taught it. The jokes, the energy, the way they made you believe in yourself when you didn't. AI can answer your question, but it can't inspire you to keep going when you're ready to give up. And that's why teachers will always matter. 4. Lawyers and legal strategists. AI can scan through contracts or legal documents in seconds. That's cool. But the courtroom isn't about speed. It's about persuasion. It's about strategy. It's about understanding people, reading a judge's tone, convincing a jury, or fighting for someone's future as if it were your own. Law is built on human judgment, negotiation, and yes, sometimes even emotion. And those are things no machine can deliver. That's why lawyers and legal strategists aren't going anywhere. 5. AI ethics and governance specialists. Here's the ironic twist. The more powerful AI becomes, the more we'll need humans to control it. Someone has to ask tough questions like, should we even build this? Or, what happens if this technology hurts people? That's where AI ethics and governance specialists come in. This field is growing faster than ever because as AI pushes boundaries, we need humans to set limits. AI can't regulate itself. It can't decide what's right or wrong. Only people can. And that makes this career path not just safe, but essential for the future. These jobs are safe because they're built on human trust, adaptability, and values. And that's something no machine can ever copy. But remember, this is just some of them. There are more careers out there that AI can't replace. And in part 2, I'm going to break them down. So if you don't want to wake up one day and realize your job is gone, make sure you stick around. Subscribe. Drop a comment telling me which career surprised you most. And I'll see you in the next one.